Ever wonder if you can take back an auto insurance claim after you filed it? Maybe the damage isn't as bad as you thought, or you'd rather pay out of pocket to avoid higher premiums. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about canceling an auto insurance claim, step by step. Let's get started. Can you cancel an auto insurance claim? Fortunately, you can cancel a car insurance claim after filing. The key to canceling a claim once you've filed it is that you typically must not be the at-fault driver. Also, act quickly. Contact your insurance provider as soon as possible. But why would someone want to cancel their auto insurance claim in the first place? Maybe damages are minor, or you decide to pay out of pocket. That's also a great time to explore your options. Make a beeline to autoinsurance.org and save significantly on your premium. To get started, just enter your zip code in our free quote tool. Answer a few prompts and easily access your options. Start saving on your car insurance coverage today. Regardless of who you have for your insurance coverage, you'll need to check your eligibility before canceling a car insurance claim. If you weren't at fault, you're more likely to cancel successfully. But if you were found to be at fault and there's a claim against you, you probably can't cancel. Also, if you've cashed the insurance check, cancellation becomes complicated. Now, how do you actually cancel a car insurance claim? Step 1. Contact your insurance agent or claims department. Make the request verbally, but follow up in writing if possible. Step 2. Return any insurance check you've received, if applicable. Don't cash or deposit the check. That may negate your cancellation. Step 3. Wait for the insurer to process your cancellation. They'll mark the claim as withdrawn or nullified. Ask for written confirmation or documentation. Now, what about cases where cancellation isn't possible? If you were at fault and a third party filed a claim against you, you can't remove that. Also, if the check is already cashed, it complicates cancellation. In some instances, total loss claims may be harder to cancel than other types. What about insurance rates? Canceling a claim doesn't always remove its mark from your record. It may still show up as a withdrawn or $0 claim. Insurance companies may consider your history when quoting rates. Want to check your current rates and see if you could save on coverage? Compare quotes at autoinsurance.org. To get started, just enter your zip code in our free quote tool, answer a few prompts, and easily access your options. When it comes to car insurance coverage, if you cancel your open claim before your insurance provider pays anything, you significantly increase your chances of being successful. Once you've decided to cancel your insurance claim, act swiftly before your insurance company investigates your claim any further. Don't wait until settlement stages. Make your cancellation decision early. Speak directly to the claims adjuster or your insurance representative. Ask about your policy's terms around withdrawals. You can also ask whether the canceled claim will show up on your claims history report. Use email or written documentation to support verbal requests. Okay, so what should you do if your claim is officially under investigation? You can usually cancel even during investigation phases. However, if significant evidence is being collected, you will face a higher risk of rejection as you attempt to cancel your claim. What if you change your mind about car repairs? You can cancel even if you initially intended to repair your vehicle. But again, timing is critical. Before filing, check if your deductible is higher than the potential repair costs. To compare car insurance rates based on specific deductible amounts, visit autoinsurance.org today. You can easily compare the most affordable rates from the best insurance companies. Compare quotes online and save big today. We've discussed canceling a claim that you filed with your provider, but what if the other party withdraws their claim? You may still cancel your own claim, but check with your insurer. What about vandalism or non-accident damage? You can generally cancel in such cases too. Now, let's look at claims with big insurers: Progressive, Geico, State Farm, USAA, and many other well-known insurance companies permit cancellations. Each has its own process. Some allow cancellations via app or online portal, but other companies require calls or written forms for policyholders to cancel a claim. Before canceling, double-check your policy rules. Look for clauses about withdrawing or canceling a claim. Read the fine print. Also note any deadlines or windows for cancellation. Some policies permit only early-stage withdrawals. What about canceling your actual auto insurance policy? You can cancel auto insurance too, but different rules apply. Canceling a policy is not the same as canceling a claim. If you cancel your auto insurance, you risk unprotected driving. Many states require liability coverage by law. Stay legally covered. Head to autoinsurance.org, enter your zip code, and answer a few simple questions. In just minutes, you'll be able to compare a list of the cheapest car insurance rates from top providers. We know that canceling a policy with open claims is possible, but it does require a great deal of care. Your insurer must still handle the claim if your policy was active at the time of the accident. If you plan to switch insurance companies, make sure you can do so without having a gap in your coverage. Let your new insurance policy begin before your current policy is canceled. Lapses can lead to fines or license suspension. What if your insurer cancels you? Yes, insurers can drop policies under special conditions, often after non-payment or high risk. But many states limit when insurers can cancel. Can I cancel a claim under investigation? Yes. Can I cancel an open claim? Yes. In most instances, canceling an open claim is possible. Will it affect future claims? Probably not directly. Each claim is judged separately. Is it worth canceling for minor damage? Often yes. This is especially true if the costs to repair your vehicle are less than your insurance deductible. See if filing a claim is worth it. Compare deductibles and premiums at autoinsurance.org. Shopping around can make all the difference in securing affordable coverage. Regardless of your deductible amount, it's important for you to know whether the other party's withdrawal will allow you to cancel your claim. While it is possible that another person's withdrawal will help you cancel a claim, you'll need to check with your insurer. What about vandalism claims? Those usually permit cancellation too. Does cancellation cost fees? Generally no, but sometimes yes, it varies by company. Will I get a refund? If you prepaid, any unused portion of your policy may be refunded. Can cancellation affect non-claims discounts? This would only happen if insurers consider your full record when offering savings opportunities. Always ask your insurer before making a decision. Document every step for your records. Confirm your cancellation status in writing. Follow up if you don't receive confirmation. Avoid unnecessary claims to keep your rates low. Shop around regularly to find better insurance deals. In many cases, you can cancel an active insurance claim, as long as you do it early and ensure all of your information is accurate. Taking time to think before finalizing your claim can save you money and stress. Even minor claims can sometimes raise your future premiums. That's why it's important to evaluate each situation carefully. Ask yourself if filing the claim truly benefits you in the long run. If repair costs are close to your deductible, it may not be worth filing. Paying out of pocket can keep your record clean and rates steady. Insurance is there for big losses, not always for small dings or scratches. The more you understand your coverage, the smarter your decisions become. Before filing, double-check your deductible and coverage limits. Sometimes, what seems like a big repair ends up costing less than expected. Getting a second or third repair estimate can give you perspective. Your insurer's main goal is to process claims efficiently, but your goal is to protect yourself financially. Always get claim numbers, contact names, and written confirmation. Good record keeping can help you in case of any disputes. If you decide to cancel, follow up until you receive written proof. Be polite but firm when requesting cancellation. Your professionalism helps things move faster. Remember, every insurance representative is trained to help, but they handle many cases daily. Being clear and respectful ensures your request isn't overlooked. If your claim involved another driver, let them know you've withdrawn your side. That helps avoid confusion between both insurers. Never assume a claim disappears instantly. It can take time for databases to update. Check back after a week or two to confirm it's been processed correctly. A withdrawn claim should appear as closed or canceled on your report. Keeping your claims history clean shows responsibility to future insurers. It also helps you qualify for safe driver and loyalty discounts. Your claim record is part of your overall risk profile. If you plan to switch insurance companies, review your claim history first. Each insurer has its own policy on withdrawn or canceled claims. Being transparent about your history builds trust with your next provider. It's all part of creating a long-term insurance strategy that protects your wallet. And if you're ever uncertain, remember, your insurer's customer service team can clarify everything. Don't hesitate to ask them to explain your options in plain language. Insurance doesn't have to be confusing. It just takes patience and awareness. Every smart move today leads to better financial security tomorrow. And that includes choosing coverage that fits how you drive. If you're looking for affordable, personalized options, head over to autoinsurance.org. to compare quotes and find the best auto insurance for your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like so we know we're making content that resonates with you. Comment below if you've had experience filing or canceling a car insurance claim. Your insights can help others navigate the maze of insurance claims and settlements. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more information on auto insurance coverage, tips, and insights that will help you, regardless of your insurance provider. Keep learning, keep comparing, and stay protected on the road. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at our next video.